Hello. In the first video about there is and there are, we looked at talking in the positive and in the negative. So, for example, in Sligo, there is a river. There isn't an airport. There are 2 Lidls. There aren't monkeys. Now we're going to look at questions. How to make a question with this. The questions are, is there or are there? Is there or are there? Which one is for one thing, which is for many? Is there is for one thing. Are there is for many, of course. So let's look at an example. Is there a train station in Sligo? Yes, there is. We know that this is a question because of the question mark. Is there? Are there shops in Sligo? Yes, of course. Are there shops? Is there for one thing? Are there for many things? Let's look at another example. Is there an airport in Sligo? And the short answer, no, there isn't. No, there isn't. Is there? No, there isn't. Are there gyms in Sligo? Yes, there are. Are there gyms? Yes, there are. Why do we use there are here? Well, we use there are because it's gyms. We're talking about many gyms, not just one. So let's look at some questions and answers. Let's look at the picture here. Make it bigger. Are there guitars in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are guitars. 6, 7. So because there's 7, we need to use are there. Are there guitars? The answer, yes, there are. Is there a piano? You can see it here. Yes, there is. Is there because it's 1. Are there dogs? No, there aren't. Are there cats? No, there aren't. Again, because we're talking about dogs or cats, we need are there. Are there? Let's do some practice. So let's look at the picture. We have some questions. You can make the answers. Are there cats? Are there cats in the photo? The question. So the answer can be yes, there is, yes, there are, or no, there aren't. Yes, there are, or no, there aren't. Are there cats? Yes, there are. There are many cats. How many? 20, 30. There are a lot of cats. Are there dogs? Well, maybe you can't see, but no. The answer is no. No, there aren't. Is there a table? We're talking about a table, one table. So we use is there. Is there a table? No, there isn't. These are not tables, that's not tables. These are beds for the cats. But there isn't a table. Okay, so you're going to make some questions now. Look at the picture. So the photo. We're going to make a question with dogs. That's the question. So the question is always, is there or are there? Is there or are there? They're the two questions we can have. Is there or are there? So let's look at dogs. Make a question with dogs. Are there dogs? Are there dogs? So let's answer. Are there dogs in the photo? Yes, there are. Exactly, yes, there are. We're talking about more than one, so we have 1, 2, 3 dogs. Yes, there are. Ask a question about cats. Are there cats? 1, 2. Yes, there are. Same answer. Elephants. Ask a question about elephants. Are there elephants? This time the answer is different, isn't it? No, there aren't. No, there aren't. And let's make one more question about a chair. Make a question about a chair. So a chair is one thing. Do we use is there or are there? Well, for one thing we use is there, exactly. Is there a chair? Don't forget the ah. And we have one. Is there a chair? Yes, there is. We'll do one more practice here. We have a room. We're going to ask questions about dogs, cats, bed, and chairs. So remember, the questions again are, is there? Or are there? Let's make a question about dogs. So it's plural, there are many, so we say, are there dogs? Are there dogs? And the answer, no, there aren't. Make a question about cats. Are there cats? Are there cats in the photo? No, there aren't. Bed. Bed is one thing. So which do we use? Do we use is there or are there for the question? Is there a bed? Yes, is there we use for one thing. Remember, a for one as well. Chairs. Are there chairs? Are there chairs? Because we have two things. So let's answer the questions. Are there dogs? No, there aren't. Are there cats? No, there aren't. Is there a bed? So let's answer it. I'll give you 2 seconds. there is. And are there chairs? I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. Are there chairs in the photo? Yes, there are. There are 2. 1, 2. That's our video for today. Thank you for watching.